Aloha class. In this video, we're going to be talking about a Java example in our courseware. It's used to map values using a generic method. So let's go ahead and grab the courseware, take a look. So we're assigned here the task of mapping a value using a generic method. So program below uses a generic method to map numeric, string, or character values to a shorter list of values. Program demonstrates a mapping for integers using a table of 100 through 600, and the program gets an integer value from a user. So it's going to scan that, and then it's going to return the first value in the table that is greater than or equal to the user value, or the user value itself if that value is greater than the largest value in the table. So for example, 165 is going to return 200 because it's between 100 and 200. 444 is going to return the next highest, which is 500. And 888 being outside of the bounds here, it's going to just return the same number. So that's good. So it's asking us to run the program, and notice the input value 137 is mapped to 200. So we go over here and we click on the run, and we'll see that it does match to 200. Now we're going to try messing with it and say like 222. What happens then? So 222 should go to 300, and it does. So this is working nicely. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is modify the program to call the getMapping method for a double and a string similar to the integer. All right, so we can do something like that. So we look in here. One of the things we have to do if we're going to start with the double, we're going to have to add some values in here. So let's go ahead and add in negative 10.0, negative 9, or let's say negative 6.0. Let's add in 0, 0.0, and then 1.0, 3.0, 5.0. So anyway, that looks like it's enough. I'll go ahead and wrap that right there. And then for map of strings, we can do something similar here. So let's just go ahead and add in B, C, D, E. So we've got those letters. That looks good enough. Hold on. It looks like, is that a corner? All right, that looks proper. Oh, wait, no. So I think this is correct. So we've got map string and map double done correctly. Get values to the map. Oh, here we go. Find fix me. Add code similar to the integer processing to process a double in a string. So yeah, so let's go ahead and grab this same code and go down here and paste it. So since we pasted in here, now what we're going to do is we are going to change this slightly for our own purposes. So we've got map double and map double results. So we've got map double. Put that one. Yeah, so map double result. So instead, we're going to be using map double result there. We're going to get the next. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, yeah, this is going to give us our next value. And then for, I guess we're going to need next double though. Then map double result, we're going to do get mapping of map int, but instead of map int, we're going to be doing map double. So let's see if this is going to do it or if it's going to give us an error. Over here, we say enter a double. value to map. Now let's see what kind of an error we get because, yep, so failed to compile. Unclosed literal string. Yeah, so I have forgot. Yeah, in my hasty whipping together of stuff, this happens. So, exception thread main. Okay, so one thing I forgot to do is I want to go ahead and comment this out because we're using our input down here. So let me go ahead and try commenting out the code for there. Oh, there we go. Perfect. So 222 is way above anything that we've got there. So if we want to put it between something, let's say, let's make this -4. And if we put a -4, yep, where's what -4 put us? Well, it's between -6 and 0, so it brings it up to 0. So that's the correct way. That's exactly what we thought it should be. And now we're going to go ahead and we need to comment these out. Oh, let's go ahead and copy them first. Copy and paste. Alrighty, so map string result. Oops. Over here, we're going to get, forget what it's called off the top of my head, but let's just say next. Hope that's what it is. The map string result. Let's see here. This is, yeah, map string, get mapping. This is going to be, back up here, grab map string result. Wait, no, map string mappings. Now let's take a look at this. Instead of -4, let's put D in here and run it. So D, it returns us D exactly. So we don't really have intermediate, we don't have like C point D, we just have D and it's returning us the exact one that we put in from that list. So if I was to put something outside the range, let's say if we put an F in there, we'll get a message, hopefully to that effect. Yep, F is mapped to F. So that's how we go about doing this. And the next section, you can check against the work that you did and make sure that you did, the quality work or whatever. So anyway, that's it for this generic section. So yeah, some of these concepts may be a little bit difficult for some of you. If you have trouble, just feel free to reach out to me. Send me an email at jsj3@hawaii.edu or just, yeah, get in touch with me somehow. Phone, email, whatever, and I can set up a Zoom meeting with you if you like, and we can go through it. So have yourself a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.